Hello, Calculus AB students. It's time to be registering for college credit through Western University if you want. You don't have to, but it's like guaranteed credit, and the AP test isn't guaranteed credit because you have to score a 3, 4, or a 5. In some schools, it's only a 4 or 5, and a 4 and a 5 can be hard to get sometimes, especially like if you were like me and you just weren't a great test taker. Whereas the Western credit works every homework assignment you do and every quiz and test you do matters and adds up, and so it's the same grade you would get in the class would be your grade for Western. The other thing is the AP test, like GPAs don't transfer, but if you go to school in Colorado, your GPA in this class would be counting toward your college GPA, and that's a great start for college. So those are some good reasons. Also, you can read. I'm not going to read for you, but it saves a lot of money. And like UCD, their pre-med doesn't accept AP credit, but they do accept concurrent enrollment. And as a junior, it's hard to know because you don't know where you're going. So I would also sign up for the AP test because it is accepted by some schools that concurrent enrollment isn't. So I would go both routes if it were me. However, and there's really no good reason not to, except just read number 2 here, because COF funding is how it's paid for, and every high school student has some, but there is a limit to it, and so it's possible if you were taking 2 classes from me and 2 from Murphy, and next year you want to do Fishman, BC Calc, that would be the second class for me, and Randall Senior English, you could max out. It's possible that you could max out. So that would be the only reason I can think of to not take this class. And so if you feel like you might be taking so much where your funding might max out, I would reach out to Cassandra Collins or Justin Wallen. But if you want to do it, this will be posted in our chat and also in Google Classroom, and these are all links. So you can click on this link and this link, but if you've already done this for Murphy, you don't have to do either of these top 2, but you will need to do 3 and 4. For me, and our course will be Math 151. So if you have questions, let me know, but go through the process first to try to get any questions you have. And if it's about the funding, I'm not going to be able to tell you any more than I have, but Cassandra Collins will, and possibly Mr. Wellen. Thanks, and do it by next Friday. I think that's the deadline. I will be reminding you in class, and I will see you on Monday.